Okay, now that we've done one example, let's try another one. This one is negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 27 with 8x plus 2y equals negative 6. So again, to graph these, my recommendation is to put both of them into mx plus b form, then start at intercept, move by slope amount. So I have to solve both of these for y. For the first equation, I need to add 6x, then divide by 3. So solve. Solve both for y. The first one, I add 6, divide by 3, which gives me 2x. And 27 divided by 3 is negative 9. Okay, the next one, I'm going to subtract 8 and divide by 2, which gives me negative 4x. And then negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So again, these are my equations 1 and 2. Remember that the best thing to do is to fill the whole grid because you don't know where the solution is going to be. Since you guys will be doing stuff on Hawks, it's not as big a deal, but let's practice doing it by hand. Okay, so the first one has a slope of positive 2 with a y-intercept of 0, negative 9. Now, really, if your grid didn't go down to negative 9 in the y direction, that's not a big deal. You can pick any point and then move by slope. Mine happens to. So for the first one, we're going to start at 0, negative 9, move up to right 1. Remember that a slope of 2 is the same as 2 over 1. Okay, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And up to right 1. So I fill these all in. Okay, and then I actually can only go back 1 point, so I'll just toss that on real quick. And here's my first line. Whoops. Okay, my second line, is the minus 4x minus 3. So this is a negative 4 slope and an intercept of 0, negative 3. So for the second one, we're going to start at 0, negative 3, and we're going to move down for right 1. So with a negative slope, we have one positive and one negative movement. So down 1, 2, 3. So starting at 0, negative 3, I need to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1. Ah, that was fast. So already I've found my solution. It's going to be this point, 1, negative something. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1. Just going to go ahead and fill in a couple more points. I can also move up and left. Okay. So my solution then is this point where they've intersected right here, and that is the point 1, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, negative 7. So solution is 1, negative 7. And again, this is, you know, calculator checkable. You guys can plug this into your calculator real quick, make sure it solves both of them. If it doesn't solve both of them, then you've made some mistake somewhere. A real quick other check that you can do. The blue line, slope of 2, it is pointing up to the right. Red line has negative slope, it is pointing down to the right, so they have the correct slope versus positive and negative. All right, and that finishes this example.